So friends, let's start with today's delicious quinoa recipe. Here I'm using organic quinoa. I've taken about 1 cup of quinoa and I'm going to wash it really well under water. This is very important. You need to wash it at least thrice under water, under running water. And then I'm just going to use a small sieve so that I don't waste any of the quinoa, because it's very very fine and it can just go through, pass through the water when you're rinsing it. So this is the good way to save on wasting the quinoa. So once you've given it a thorough wash, I'm just going to set it aside. Now I've taken 2 cups of water in a vessel. I'm going to add the quinoa to this water and we're going to bring it to a boil on a medium to high flame. So just give it a good mix first and then let it come to a boil on a medium to high flame. Once it comes to a boil, just lower the flame and then we're going to let it cook till all of the water evaporates. Now you can see that the water has all evaporated, so you can turn off the heat and just set this aside. So now let's make this amazing recipe with this quinoa. This is a great tiffin item. It's a good recipe for breakfast, or if you have unexpected guests, this is an amazing snack. So now I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to mix all of this well in the ghee. You can also use oil. Then I'm going to add 1 green chili that I've chopped fine and I'm going to give it a good fry. So fry the chili till it turns to a little bit of a, the whitish kind of a color comes on the peel. Then I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped really fine. Fry the onion really well for about at least half a minute. Then I'm going to add some veggies. So I'm going with 1 carrot and 1 small capsicum and 1 tomato. So as you add the veggies, fry each of the veggies really well. Now you can add any vegetables of your choice. You can add corn, you can add mushrooms. The choice is endless. Now I'm going to add half a cup of green peas and again mix everything really well together. You can even add potatoes. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. This really makes this dish very very tasty. Give it a good mix. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. Again, give it a good mix. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander. I will be adding 1 more tablespoon as garnish, but for now I just like the flavor of this coriander leaves in this recipe. Mix everything really well together. Now we're just going to add the cooked quinoa. So you have to cook quinoa in this way, like I showed you. For any recipe, you can make multiple recipes with this, but the quinoa has to be cooked like in this manner will be used for any recipe. Now we're just going to cover and cook this for 5 minutes on a very low heat, stirring in intervals, and our quinoa is almost ready. So now we just have to add 2 more ingredients. One is the coriander leaves for garnish, and then the juice of some lemon. But I always add the lemon juice after I turn off the heat. So I'm turning off the heat after mixing in the coriander well, and I'm just going to squeeze some lemon juice, about a tablespoon or so, give it a mix, and our delicious quinoa is all ready to enjoy.
I'm going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.